The Bluetti Elite 100. What do you get? How does it perform? And is it right for you? This is a complete overview of everything you need to know about the Elite 100. I'll be providing actual testing results and sharing what I like and dislike about this product. So hang with me for just a couple minutes and you'll learn everything you need to know about the Bluetti Elite 100 in one video. I'm not into wasting your time, so let's jump right to it. You'll receive the Bluetti Elite 100, an AC charging cable, a solar charging cable, a grounding screw, manuals, and warranty card. The Elite 100 has a continuous output of 1800 watts that is on a pure sine wave inverter with a total battery storage of 1024 watt hours of total storage capacity. It has 13 total outputs, 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports at 15 watts max, 2 USB-C ports, one at 100 watts max and the other one at 140 watts max. It has one car outlet at 12 volts, 10 amps, 120 watts, 2 DC 5521 ports at 12.6 volts, and 8 amps max. It has a display screen, solar input, AC input, and the dimensions are 12 inches by 8 inches by 10 inches, and it weighs in at 24.6 pounds. The product warranty on the Bluetti Elite 100 is a 5-year warranty. Now I want to talk about the inverter itself inside the portable power station. Of course, this is the 1800 watts of continuous output. It is pure sine wave, and I did verify that by hooking it to my oscilloscope to make sure that the pure sine wave looked perfectly, and it did. And during testing, I also connected this to a couple heat guns to discharge this from 100% to 0% at the max rate, and I had absolutely no issues with that. The Elite 100 is an ultra quiet operating portable power station, and that's extremely important if you are considering a power station that will be placed in an area where you can hear it operating, something like a tent next to your bed or in an office space that you might be working. You want to make sure that these portable power stations are as quiet as possible. And during my testing, I put this on silent mode, and that is 500 watts of charge, and it was undetectable with my sound meter. I put it at standard charge mode, and that brought in 600 watts of charging power, and it was still completely undetectable with my sound meter. However, when I did kick it up to the turbo mode, then we had 1200 watts of input, and that's maxing out what this is capable of input power. And it only output 38 decibels, which is equivalent to a light whisper. And for the no load consumption or the standby consumption, it can be called several different things, but they all mean the same. It's how many watts does it use when it's sitting in standby with the AC inverter turned on and the screen turned on where it will never turn off. The Elite 200 uses 32.4 watts per hour, giving you a total standby of around 32 hours. Now moving on to the UPS function, if you experience a power outage while using the power station as a power backup, it will automatically switch from one power source to another power source in 10 milliseconds. That's so fast, you'll not even notice it. And its ideal backup solutions would be something like Wi-Fi routers, medical devices, CPAPs, security systems, servers, even point of sale systems, and other critical backup devices. And there is one downside to the Bluetti Elite 100, and that's that it cannot be expanded using any of the Bluetti expansion batteries. I would like to be able to see this where we can expand it out, but in all reality, if we're talking 1800 watts, we're not trying to back up a house. We don't need a ton of expansion or capacity on these portable power stations. This is designed to be a portable power station. So we're gonna be packing it around a lot for this style of power station. So for me, it's okay not to have that expansion capabilities on a power station of this size. Life expectancy is extremely important when considering portable power stations or any batteries. This has a life cycle of 4,000 cycles to 80% capacity, meaning that you can use this portable power station daily for over 10 years, and you're still going to have 80% capacity left in those batteries. So if you use this on a weekend basis or every other day, you're going to extend that life of the batteries for a very long time. And when you do drain those batteries down to 0%, we're going to need a way to charge those up. So let's talk about the charging methods that can be used on the Elite 100. We can use the AC charging at a total max input of 1,200 watts of AC input, that you could charge this from 0% to 100% in just at 1 hour. We can use solar charging, of course, and that supports a voltage range of between 11 and 60 volts and a max of 20 amps. So that gives you a total of 1,000 watts max that can be inputted into the Elite 100. You can use the alternator charger with the optional Bluetti Charger 1, and that can be charged at 560 watts, and you can connect that to your car alternator. It runs through the Charger 1, it plugs into this. While you're going down the road, you're charging at 560 watts. If you have a gas generator, as long as that gas generator can output 1,200 watts, you can connect it to the AC side of that, connect it into this, charge this portable power station at 1,200 watts. And that gives you the charge of 100% in just at 1 hour. You can do multi-charging. You can charge this with different variations. For example, AC and solar at the same time. So there's a lot of different variations that you can use to charge this up, and you can charge it up fairly quickly. And keep in mind, when you're looking at portable power stations, to consider the type of safety functions that it has as well. The Elite 100 has over 40 protective measures against current, voltage, temperature, and circuit risk. Intelligent management system and thermal runaway protection prevents explosions and fires for your maximum safety. When connected to the app, you can customize, monitor, control, and get instant updates. Be notified of storm warnings or extreme weather that's in your area. Get UPS power outage alerts and even reminders for long-term storage. So this allows the system to send you a notification that says, hey, it needs to be charged up, and we're maintaining the batteries to give you longer life out of a portable power station. In addition to those crucial alerts, you can control the time of use setting and many other functions to the portable power station from anywhere in the world. All portable power stations have some sort of limitations, and the Elite 100 is no exception to that. Understanding those limitations and identifying them before a purchase will ensure you're buying the right power station for your needs. The Elite 100 cannot power 240 volt system. This is a 120 volt output, and it cannot be connected to another one to create a 240 volt system. And that's completely understandable due to the size of the inverter and the overall portability. Out of the box, the battery capacity is 1,024 watt hours of capacity, and the Elite 100 is not capable of expanding its battery storage. Again, that's something that we talked about earlier in the video, and it's understandable due to the size of the inverter and how portable that this actually is. So if you're looking for something that can be expanded, Bluetti does have other power stations that can do that and can put out even more power than the Elite 100. This is going to be perfect for people that like camping, that need on-the-go backup. Maybe use this at job sites, tailgaters that are going to sporting events, or you're just wanting to power essential appliances in event of a blackout. And if you found this video helpful, here's another one I think you might enjoy.